Hello and welcome. My name is Amanda Reed. I'm going to take a few minutes to show you how to use the screen capture tool in Illuminate Live. In Illuminate Live, we actually have a tool that will allow you to take screenshots. A lot of people don't know this tool exists. It's right there in your toolbar. It looks like a little Instamatic camera. Click on that. It's going to pop up this screen that now is going to allow you to do a screenshot of any application, your desktop, or Illuminate Live. So let's dig a little deeper. The first area is select the screen. So do you want the entire desktop? So do you want to take a picture of the entire desktop? The entire desktop with a delay, so you might want to move things around a little bit, or a selected area. I usually use a selected area, so I'll want to click, drag, and kind of draw a selected area that I want to capture. Now remember, all of these screen captures are designed to be pasted right onto the Illuminate whiteboard inside your live Illuminate session. Select image type. I always go with the default, which is encode as a PNG. Typically what we're aiming for here is to get a good quality image and keeping it as compressed as we can. So the image type with the encode PNG gives me a good quality image. If I choose encode as JPEG, I'll have some JPEG options here. Instead, you could see I've chosen the PNG. So over here with PNG, I have options. And I go with maximum compression, which is the default. I never change this. So I strongly recommend you stick to the default. Now these two are really important. Hide application first. That says hide Illuminate Live. It makes an assumption that you don't want to take a capture of Illuminate Live. Instead, you want to take a screen capture of your desktop or something else. So if you want to capture Illuminate Live, deselect that. And scale down to fit basically is saying, well, let me just scale the image so it can fit onto the whiteboard. And so I typically will stick with all of these defaults. This is really the only one I ever change, and it just depends whether I'm capturing Illuminate. So sometimes we'll be in a session and somebody asks me a question, it's easiest to capture the Illuminate interface and to show somebody, or if I'm trying to capture something else. Then I'm going to click Capture. Now what happens is this is my capture region, all right, because I want to capture just a specific region. I can grab this black box, move it around on the screen. I can click and drag and make it bigger and smaller by grabbing the corners, okay. If I try to drag it too big so it's making a capture that won't fit on the whiteboard, you'll get a warning about that. And then I just click Snap. That's going to take a picture of everything inside that black area. That's the snap. Now I'm going to be inside my Illuminate session, right over on the whiteboard. You're going to see a cursor, little crosshair, kind of hard to see here, but basically wherever I move that, you're going to see this whole image is going to move around on the screen until I click, and that snaps it or pastes it onto the whiteboard. Okay? So that is how we're going to place it. And then you want to watch the participant window. You want to watch the whiteboard indicator lights because especially if it's a big image, you want to make sure you give everybody the opportunity to get that loaded on the whiteboard before you move on. So that's it. That's how to use the screen capture. Very simple. For more information, go over to our Illuminate.com training website, grab the quick reference guide, grab the documentation, and you can learn more about using the screen capture tool. Thank you.